Camellia balloon tutorial. Leave about 8 inches uninflated at the tail end of the balloon. First, twist a 3-finger bubble. Twist a single bubble of identical size. You will need to make 10 3-finger single bubbles in a row. Twist the ends together. Release excess air. Tie a secure knot. Single bubbles twisted and secured in pairs. Thread the balloon neck through the middle. Tie a knot to secure it. Adjust the balloon's shape. Attach another balloon strip. Twist a single bubble the width of 4 fingers. Thread through the middle. Use the same technique to make the second one. You'll need to make 5 in total. Now you have a beautiful petal shape. Deflate, tie off, and secure the knot. Trim the excess balloon material. First, twist a 2-ear knot. Twist another single ear twist as before. You will need to twist 5 single ear twists to form the flower center. Go through the middle. Twist an isolation bubble. Finally, tie a double ear tie and the camellia is complete.